In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Microsoft Loop. We'll walk through two easy ways to gather feedback, the Q&A component and the voting table. Then I'll show you how to share your survey so people can respond right from email or Teams. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser. Once you're in, head to the workspace where you want to run your survey. Think of the workspace as your project hub. Anything you add here stays organized and easy to find later, and everyone with access to the workspace can participate. On your Loop page, tap the / key to open the insert menu. This is your shortcut to everything you can add. From the menu, choose Q&A. Q&A is perfect for quick surveys, collecting short answers or asking follow-up questions. Give your survey a clear, action-oriented title so people know exactly what you're asking. Then type your questions directly in the component. Keep each question focused and add brief context when needed so respondents don't have to guess. You can add as many questions as you need, and your teammates will see updates in real time. If your survey is more of a poll or you want people to vote among options, use an alternative approach. Press the / again and select voting table. This creates a simple table designed for decisions. Add your options as rows. Make the option text specific, avoid overlap between choices, so results are easy to interpret. The built-in voting column lets participants cast their vote with a single click, and totals update automatically as people respond. When your survey is ready, click the component to reveal its toolbar and choose the copy component icon. This copies a live loop component, not just a screenshot. Now paste it into an email or a Teams chat. Recipients can respond right where they are, and their answers or votes will sync back to your loop page instantly. This is great for quick turnarounds because you don't have to chase people across different apps. A couple of final tips as you share. Keep your title short and your call to action clear. Set expectations on timing in your message, and include any must-know context above the component so the survey itself stays clean. That's it. You've created a survey in Microsoft Loop, picked the best format for your needs, and shared it as a live component your team can answer anywhere.